Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Do you know that you can make money online by using AI in the Facebook account or other social media network? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by using AI or artificial intelligence with social media. I'm going to be using Facebook. Here you can see I am in my Facebook account. I'm going to be using Facebook, and I will also be using ChatGPT. So let's try opening ChatGPT. I will be using those two platforms and show you how you can be able to make money by also using artificial intelligence and social media together. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm now logged into my account, my affiliate marketing account, which is called ShareSell. I have made a video about how you can be signing up and also how you can be able to make money on ShareSell by selling different products or different items, or by doing affiliate marketing. As you can see, I'm on one of the affiliate marketing company I'm working with, which is ManyMatch Inc. So if I try to scroll here to banners, you can see if I bring this to banners, I'm gonna see the banners that they are giving me or that I have to be publishing to my site to be able to earn money. However, you don't need to be having a website to be able to do this, because if you need a website, that is why we'll be using these banners. In this trick, I'm going to show you how you can be using those links, text links, so that you can be able to make money without having any website. So now let's go to our account. For instance, let's search for another link, get a link. So let's see if I'm gonna be getting a new one. Let's say I'm gonna be working with Zen Business Inc. Let's search another one. Okay, so I'm working with a Namecheap. So if I'm gonna be for instance selling different digital items, including, for instance, they are saying your fast and secure VPN with up to 96 off, 56 off. So now let's say I'm gonna be working with this one. Let's say, okay, let's choose, for instance, VPS hosting. So if I'm gonna be using VPS hosting, for instance, they are giving me the HTML code that I can use if I'm gonna be pasting it into my website. However, if I'm not going to be pasting it in my website, I can take this URL, and also I will be trying to open this one. So if I try to visit this URL, and also we ensure that it will be working to my affiliate marketing strategy. Let's after this having this URL that I'm gonna be using to be the one to direct it to, I have to come into my my ChatGPT and also create I'm going to be creating a Facebook post which is promoting this item that I'm gonna be promoting to earn commission. So as you can see, after clicking on this URL, it is immediately directing me to VPS hosting or Namecheap, which means I will be earning money if person try to purchase anything through this link. So what I need to do now, you can see I have already selected this VPS hosting, and also I can be, what I have to do is to select this one again, get this, and also try to get HTML and select the URL because the one only which I need. Then come here and tell ChatGPT write the create Facebook posts promoting the Namecheap VPS hosting. Make it brief, and also include the link, include the link to purchasing. Make sure that it is attractive to the audience. So now after this, I will be having these posts. So let's first wait for the hosting and wait for what is gonna be provided to us. And also what I need to do is to, you can see I'm having this one. So what I need to do is to come into my Facebook account and first create the post. I can be creating a general post, or if I'm gonna be pasting to my account generally. And also I have to add the link here because I want to be adding the link to be able to visit and buy this hosting. I have to come to this my hosting dashboard and copy this URL which is selected, then I paste it here. After pasting it, you can see after pasting it, I have to post. As you can see, after creating this post, it is gonna be directly showing to the platform, and you can see person can be able to click here and get a VPS. Now can be able to click here, and once a person is going to be clicking there, it is going to be opening immediately the share cell and also direct to Namecheap hosting, which means whenever a person is going to be buying this hosting, also I'm going to be making money. I'm going to be earning money. So now let's see how much money can you be able to make. If for instance I'm working with Namecheap, which is one of the merchants. Let's see the merchant status. Some more merchants are not allowing you, but you need to apply for these are approved ones. And also let's filter. So let's go to the all merchants approved one, and also come here and see the ones I'm working with. So after this, if I scroll down, temporary offline for 3, 5, 6 days, you can see some merchants are offline, some are working. And also let's try to scroll down and see the Namecheap I was showing you, which is this one, and also it is housing ID. So as you can see, I'm going to be earning 30% USD or 30% of the sales that I have made. So let's try to see if I am going to be earning this one. If someone is going to be purchasing this, for instance, it's gonna be purchasing this one for annual. These are going to be billed annually. You can see it's a year billing. So let's say let's try to open this one and see WorldPads and try to calculate this one. So if person is gonna be earning 24.88 per month, so let's try to multiply and see how much money we should be able to make. So for instance, person is going to be at 24.88 per month. So if we try to multiply, that means you're going to be for instance, that means you're going to be making 24.8 times 12. That's going to be times 12. That's going to be also times 12. That is going to be 297.6 USD per month. And also if is it gonna be S296 per month, this is gonna be I'm gonna be selecting this one and see the 30% of it. For instance, let's say 49. So let's say 30% of it, I'm gonna be multiplied by 30% equals 30 times 30 over 100. So which means I'm gonna be making a 9 USD per month, so 89 USD per sale. Now let's suppose we're going to be selling maybe 2 or 3 orders that are going to be made through your link or your affiliate link. That means you're going to be making much money. As you can see, also ChatGPT can help you to get to the career post, to the now to you can see hashtags that you need to be including into your post. And as you can see, if you come here to the Facebook, you will see different hashtags which have been inserted, and also can be earning money. Once you earn money, what's gonna be coming here? It's gonna be coming to your account, and also you can be able to withdraw once you're ready, and also you can continue. You can see we have this Zenny business where you can earn 100 USD per order which is made, And also it has this one 10%, 11%, 12%, 2%, and others. It all depends on your option and your preferences. But also you can be able to make money by using artificial intelligence like a ChatGPT, and also combining with social media. Mostly with affiliate marketing strategy, you can be able to make much money, and it can be able to ease your work. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share the video to our friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.